Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Glamego box for the month of January 2018. So let's get started. So the box looks really creative with all superwoman on the packaging with all skin tones. So let's see what all I have received in the box. So the first thing that I see in the box is this card which says thanks for making Glamego India's #1 beauty box. On the back side it has all the products mentioned that they have sent in the box. Let's get to the products. So these are the 4 products that I've received in the Glamego box, and let's start one by one and see what all it is. So the first thing is the Bio Bloom Face Oil, which claims to be an age-defying and radiance booster. It's priced at 1499 rupees, which is pretty expensive for this product. The cost of the box is covered with this one product itself. In fact, it's way higher than the cost of the box itself. It smells like an Ayurvedic oil, and because it's totally natural and is not going to harm you in any way. So the second product is again from Bio Bloom, is this handmade soap in lavender fragrance. I can't really smell the fragrance. I guess I need to open it up and see. I'm gonna give it a try and let you guys know about this. The third product is from the brand called Natural Bath and Body, and it has grapefruit and vitamin C, and it is for lightening and brightening your complexion. Although I really like the products that I've used from Natural Bath and Body, but I'm not into lightening products, so I will give this to somebody who really needs this. And the last product which I'm really excited about is this Bella Voste lip gloss. It is in the shade Mercier Rouge. It is a bright red color gloss, and this is how the packaging looks like. I will give you a swatch, and you can see it's very pigmented. It's actually like a very moisturizing and glossy liquid lipstick, I would say. I'm right now wearing it on my lips and I absolutely love this product. So that's all for today, and if you want to subscribe for the Glamego box, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below. You can check it out and subscribe for yourself. And that's it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.